In the world of corporate treasuries, seismic shift is unfolding, and it's being led by Bitcoin. From titans like MicroStrategy to rising players like Semler Scientific and Metaplanet, the corporate Bitcoin craze is reaching fever pitch. Well, buckle up as we dive into a week that's reshaping how companies think about cash reserves. So Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy is rewriting treasury strategy playbooks. Over 6 days, the self-styled Bitcoin development company made a jaw-dropping purchase of 51,780 Bitcoin for $4.6 billion, bringing its total stash to a staggering 331,200 Bitcoin, acquired for about $16.5 billion. When at the current price surrounding the $90,000 level, these holdings are worth just less than $30 billion. And where did the funding for this audacious buy come from? So MicroStrategy is at the market share issuance program offloading 13.6 million shares for $4.6 billion. But the Bitcoin buying spree is not over yet. The company plans to raise $1.75 billion, though 0% senior convertible notes to potentially acquire another 19,065 Bitcoin. Well, flying under the radar but making waves is Semler Scientific. So the Portland-based healthcare solutions company added 215 Bitcoin for $17.7 million at an average price of $82,502 per Bitcoin, pushing its holdings to 1,273 Bitcoin worth $114 million. Clearly, with an average buy-in price of $69,682, Semler's BTC yield now stands at a stellar 37.3%, funded largely through share sales. Semler is providing that Bitcoin can be more than a hedge. It's a performance engine. Meanwhile, Mara Holdings is playing a dual game. The Las Vegas headquartered Bitcoin miner announced a $700 million private offering, earmarking $200 million for repurchasing convertible notes and a significant chunk for Bitcoin purchases and expansion. Across the Pacific, Japan's Metaplanet is making bold moves in the Bitcoin space. The Tokyo-listed firm recently added 124 Bitcoin to its treasury, investing 1.75 billion yen, worth $11.3 million, raised through a one-year bond issuance at a low 0.36% annual interest rate. So this latest acquisition brings Metaplanet's total Bitcoin holdings to over 1,100 Bitcoin, valued at approximately $101 million at current prices. So the firm's innovative use of bond sales and option strategies underscores its confidence in Bitcoin as a hedge against Japan's rising debt and yen volatility. Not just this, Nasdaq-listed global healthcare giant Cosmos Health too has announced that it has adopted a strategy to include Bitcoin and Ethereum as part of its treasury reserve assets. The company expects that adding Bitcoin and Ethereum, along with potentially other cryptocurrencies and blockchain-related assets, will help strengthen its balance sheet and offer significant upside potential as these assets increasingly gain global adoption. So as Bitcoin hovers around the $90,000 mark, corporate adoption is rewriting the financial rulebook. So whether it's lapped up as a hedge against inflation or for juicy returns in anticipation of a decentralized future, one thing is certain: Bitcoin is no longer a fringe asset. It's become a corporate necessity. The question is, who is next to join the Bitcoin bandwagon? So that's all in this story. Keep watching 3.0 TV for more such updates, and do log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off.